Hello my dear students. Once again welcome back to our online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So student, in my previous video I have already told you that what is naming words. And today's video I am going to explain the exercises of this chapter. So student, I have already explained naming words. So student, what is naming words? So naming word are the name of people, person, places or things. So dear student, in this video I am going to explain the exercises. So let's start. So student, you all take out your grammar book and open page number 2. In page number 2 there is a exercise. Match the picture with the naming words. So student, what will we do in this exercises? So we have to match this picture with their name, okay, with their naming words. So firstly, in number 1 there is cow. We all know that it is cow, so we have to match this given picture with their name. So there is a cow in number G, so we have to match with the option G, okay. So now next, in second, so student, in second there is a cap, so we have to match with F. Like this we have to complete this all given, match the picture with naming words, okay student. So we have to match number 1 with G, so we have to write here G, you have to match, okay. In number second there is cap, so we have to write here second. Now the next, third, there is a, what is this? So student, this is dog, so we have to match with I, okay, we have to match with I. In number 4 there is flowers, so we have to match with J, we have to match with J, flower. Now the next, in number 5 there is snake, so there is C. In number C there is snake, so we have to match this with C. Now the next, number 6 is heel, so we have to match with B, okay, we have to match heel with given option B. Now the next, after completing number 6 there is a number 7, so student, it is doctor, so he is a doctor, so we have to match this with E. In number 8 there is a baby, so we have to match with D, we have to match number 8 with D. Now the next, number 9, in number 9 there is rabbit, so we have to match with A, we have to match with A. Number 9 we have to match with A. Now the next, in the last, there is mother, so we have to match number 10 with H. So like this we have to complete the first exercise. Now moving to the next exercise. So student, this next exercise is fill in the blanks with naming words from the box. Student, what will we do in this exercise? So here is the exercise A, fill in the blanks with the naming words from the box. So student, as you can see at the screen that there is a box and some words are given in the box, so we have to choose the correct one and after that write on the given blanks according to the sentences, okay. We have to choose the correct naming words. So first, in number 1 there is my father's dash ran out of petrol. Student, there is a sentence, my father's dash ran out of petrol. So what will we write on the given blanks? So we have to choose the suitable naming words according to this sentence. So as we all know that car ran out of petrol, so we have to write on the given blanks car, okay student, which is given in the box, so we have to choose car from the box and after that write on the given blanks. So student, you have to write the spelling of car. So tell me what is the spelling of car? So it is C-A-R, car, so we have to write the spelling of car on the given blanks. Now the next, in number 2, okay, in number 2 there is a dash is chasing a deer, okay, a dash is chasing a deer. So what will we write here? So we have to write tiger, okay, we have to write tiger. So what is the spelling of tiger? The spelling of tiger is T-I-G-E-R, tiger. A tiger is chasing a deer. Okay students. Now the next, number third. In number third, I love reading blanks. So what will we write on the blanks? So what we love reading. So we love to read books. So we have to write on the given blanks books. Okay student, what is spelling of books? So it is B-O-O-K-S, books. Okay, which is given in the box. So we have to choose from the box. So after that, in number 1, there is my father's car ran out of petrol. In number 2, a tiger is chasing a deer. In number 3, I love reading books. Now moving to the next number. The next number is number 4. In number 4, there is a cricket is played with a bat and a. So what will we write on the given blanks? So cricket is played with a bat and a ball. So we have to write here ball. Student, what is spelling of ball? So it is B-E-L-L, ball. Okay. Now after this, number 5. In number 5, the red dash looks beautiful on her head. The red dash looks beautiful on her head. So what we wear on the head? Okay, so we wear hat. So we have to write here the red hat looks beautiful on her head. Okay student, so what is the spelling of hat? H-A-T, hat. So we have to write hat here. Now the next number 6 is I write a dash every evening. Okay, I write a dash every evening. So on the given box there is a word bicycle. Okay, so we have to write bicycle on the given blanks. What is the spelling of bicycle? So it is B-I-C-Y-C-L-E, bicycle. Okay, bicycle. After that, next number 7. In number 7, there is my dash is 70 years old. My dash is 70 years old. So what will we write on the given blanks? So we have to write here grandfather. What will we write? We have to write my grandfather is 70 years old. In number 7, we have to fill on the given blanks grandfather. Okay student, what is the spelling of grandfather? So it is G-R-A-N-D-F-A-T-H-E-R, father. Okay, grandfather. So in number 7, we have to write my grandfather is 70 years old. Now moving to the next, number 8. In number 8, there is a the dash is teaching the students English. The dash is teaching the students English. So what will we write? So student, tell me who teach us in school. So teacher teaches us in school. So we have to write here the teacher is teaching the students English. On the given blanks we have to write teacher. So tell me what the spelling of teacher? Do you know that? The spelling of teacher is T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. Okay, what is spelling of teacher? T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. So number 8 is the teacher is teaching the students English. Now the next, number 9. Next is number 9. In number 9, there is squirrels love to eat dash. In number 9, there is squirrels love to eat dash. So what will we write on the given blanks? So we have to write on the given blanks, that is nuts. Okay, squirrel loves to eat nuts. What is the spelling of nuts? N-U-T-S, nuts. So like this we have to complete number 9. Now moving to the next last one, number 10. So in number 10, the dash is cunning animal. The dash is a cunning animal. So what will we write in the given blanks? So student, what will we write on the given blanks? So we have to write on the given blanks fox. We have to write on the given blanks fox. So tell me what is the spelling of fox? It is F-O-X, fox. So the fox is a cunning animal. Okay student. So like this you have to complete the given exercise A. So Let's recheck the exercise. So in number 1, there is my father's car ran out of petrol. My father's car ran out of petrol. In number 2, we have to write on the given blanks, a tiger is chasing deer. A tiger is chasing a deer. In number 3, I love reading books. Number 4, cricket is played with a bat and a ball. Number 5, the red hat looks beautiful on her head. In number 6, I ride a bicycle every evening. In number 7, my grandfather is 70 years old. In number 8, the teacher is teaching the students English. In number 9, squirrels love to eat nuts. And number 10, the fox is a cunning animal. So like this we have to complete exercise A. Now moving to the next exercise. So student, before starting the next exercise, here are some important notes which is given in the books. So let's read it. So there is read this sentences. So what is this sentences? So number 1, there is Rohit wants to go to Australia. Rohit wants to go to Australia. In 2nd, my grandfather lives in Jaipur. In next, Hina has a parrot. Its name is Miku. Next, my teacher's name is Pooja Sharma, and next is the name of our planet is Earth. So what is the importance of this given highlighted word? So student, as you can see on the screen that there is a notes. So some people, places and things have a special name. Okay, some people, places and things have a special name. The special name begin with a capital letter. The special name begin with a capital letter. So dear student, whenever you see the words begin with a capital letter, okay, and end with a full stops, so that is a sentence. But in sentences there is some special name. Okay. So student, it is very important to you that you have to remember that a special name begin with a capital letter. As you can see on the given highlighted word that Rohit, in Rohit there is a first letter is R, begin with a capital letter. In Australia there is a first letter A, begin with a capital letter. In Jaipur there is also first letter is capital letter. In Hina there is a H is a capital letter. In Miku there is a first letter M in capital letter. So like this, whenever you see the first letter begin with a capital letter, that is a special name. Okay students, so you must remember this given notes. It is very important to you. Okay, now moving to the next. So student, here are some examples for you. You have to read it. So for example, there is a Tina, England, Taj, Mahal, etc. and your name also. Okay, your name also is a very special. So now next sentence is the Qutub Minar is in New Delhi. So Qutub Minar is a special name. New Delhi is also a special name because it begins with a capital letter. Okay, the first letter of this word begin with a capital letter. Next is the Taj Mahal is beautiful building, and the name of my pet cat is Kiwi. Okay, so in this sentence is Rohit, Hina and Pooja Sharma are special name of people. Okay, so student, in this sentence is Rohit, Hina and Pooja Sharma are the special name of people. The words Australia, Jaipur, Earth and New Delhi are special name of places. The words Qutub Minar and Taj Mahal are special name of things. The words Miku and Kiwi are special name of animals. They all begin with a capital letter. Okay student. So now moving to the next, there is a write down the names. So student, it is a homework for you. You have to complete this homework. Dear student, you have to mention your name on the given blanks. Firstly, you have to write your name on the given blanks. After that, your best friend's name. Next, your school's name. After that, your teacher's name. Next, your father's name. After that, your mother's name. Next, your brother or sister name. And next is your city's name. Ninth is your favorite country. And next, last one is your planet name. Okay, your planet's name. So you have to complete this given homework at your home with the help of your parents. Okay student. Now the next, so there is a practice work for you, so you have to complete it. So what will we do in this exercise? So student, there is a circle the special name of people, places or animals. So what will we do in this given exercise? So student, we have learned that a special name begin with a capital letter. Okay, the first letter begin with a capital letter. So in this given sentences, we have to circle the special name of people, places or animals. So firstly, number 1, there is I live in a city, it is called Lucknow. So student, in this sentence the given word Lucknow, the first letter begin with a capital letter. So we have to circle the given word Lucknow. Okay, in number 1 there is a word Lucknow. And next sentence, I have a pet, it is a dog, I call it Bingo. So as we can see in the Bingo, the first letter begin with a capital letter, so we have to circle it. Okay, now the next number 3, Delhi is a big city. Delhi is a big city. So tell me which word begin with a capital letter. So in this sentence the given word Delhi is begin with a capital letter, so we have to circle the given word Delhi. Now the next number 4, there is a Shalini is a smart girl. Shalini is a smart girl. So here is the given word Shalini is a special name, so we have to circle it. Now the next number 5, Rohan gave me a book. So we have to circle the given name Rohan. Okay. Now the next number 6, this is a tiger, its name is a Rambo. So we have to circle the given word Rambo. Now the next number 7, Neha is my cousin. So we have to circle the given word Neha. Now the next number 8, Charlie lives in New York. So here there is, in this sentence there is a 2 special name. First is a Charlie and second is a New York, because this both begin with the capital letter. Okay, in Charlie you can see the first letters C begin with the capital letter, and New York there is a also begin with the capital letter. So we have to circle these both words, first Charlie and second New York. Okay, now the number 9, Kolkata is called the city of joy. So student, in this sentence we again circle the 2 words. First is a Kolkata and second is a city. Okay, Kolkata and city, and also joy, city of joy. First Kolkata and after the city of joy. Now the next, number 10, Seema is Rohit's mother. Seema is Rohit's mother. So again we have to circle 2 words. First is Seema and another one is Rohit. Okay, first is Seema and next is Rohit. Okay students, so like this we have to circle the given special name. So like this you have to complete your exercises in your book and also complete the given homework. Okay, so dear student, that's it for today. Now the next remaining part I will explain in my next video. Okay, so for that it's for today. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and keep watching my video. Thank you.